guys, Atox here. Welcome back, and today we're going to be playing some mini games. Woo! Now, as of me recording this, this is going to be the last recording I do for mini games before I actually post the video, I'm trying to remember, Dragon Escape video, which will give me which in that video I asked for some names for my Siamese cat, which I have generic kitty right now. So, Sid, pretty much what I'm doing is I film things quite a few days in advance. So, for me, I actually filmed this on the day of uploading my Duels to the Death game video. So, after that, we obviously have Bombs Away, High Flyers, and then the Running from Dragons one. So, yeah, that does mean that, yes, I haven't named the cat yet. This is actually going to be the last one I will film before getting the Dragon Escape video up. So, it's not bad. But, yeah. Okay. So, what are we playing today? Enough on my little ranting intro. Today, we are actually going to be playing a game that I have not covered yet due to one thing that I don't really care for this game. Master Builders. This isn't one of the more competitive games, and in my opinion, isn't one of the better ones on Minecraft. Well, if you're a creative player and enjoy building, this is a good one. For someone who mainly plays Minecraft, to hop on, play some mini games, and do some cool competitive PvP, this game can come off as a little bit boring. Especially to someone who has no building skills whatsoever, aka me. So, whatever I make is probably not going to be very good. Now, what is the build theme? Cat. Okay, now, I'm thinking I'm going to grab a grass block for /ground. Okay, that's actually how you set. Now, for a cat, I am thinking, and I think I'm just going to just build kind of a cartoony kitty face. I'm thinking, you know, your kind of generic white cat with green eyes, pink nose, you know, that sort of cute, fun little thing. Now, I'm going to build it over here. The ears, I'm thinking like this. Now, this is quite tall, but the ears are perked up, so that's my reasoning for that. And then we have side of the head, which comes down 3. I actually don't know if you guys can hear that, but if you guys just heard a ding, I have a friend on Xbox who is inviting me to play, so just give me a minute to, I actually don't have the Xbox app open, so never mind, I'm not going to respond right now. Okay. Now, for the actual mouth, here's the nose. Thinking, where would the eyes go? Maybe the other way around with the whites in the middle? That's not bad, but I kind of want to go... Oops. Now that looks like a cat. Could I go with kind of big anime kitten big kitten eyes? If you're wondering why I said anime, if you watch anime or kind of have seen any skins on Minecraft based on anime characters, they normally go with the eyes were 4 pixels instead of just normal 2 because anime normally has more expressions. Now this isn't bad, but I need the mouth, which means I actually need gray wool. Technically, the nose would actually be up higher. I'm trying, guys, I'm trying. Well, it's goofy. I'll just, not do anything. That still looks good. Yeah, I think that's really about it. I'm thinking... Yeah, that's really all I can add. Except a string. Is string actually a block? String. Forgotten where it was under. Okay. If you're wondering what I'm doing, this gives the impression of whisker. No. Actually, that just looks terrible. So no, I'm not going to do that. I actually don't think I can make whiskers look good. And we don't really have enough time left anyway, since there's like 6 seconds. But, I think I did okay. I mean, considering my build skills, this isn't bad. I mean, it's a kitty, for sure. Oh, except for the face, this is bad. Meh. What's with, okay. My eyes are burning. His are too. This cat, it's not a cat. Oh, that was terrible. There's nothing here but this, so my eyes are burning. That's pretty much saying this build is the worst thing I have ever seen. My eyes are literally set on fire. How is this supposed to be a cat? Cats are not cyan. My eyes are burning just because that does not look like a cat, and the head's not even centered. This one was obviously not done. I mean, they got some okay shaping, but otherwise, eh. The cat is terrible. And this, bedrock bit, which I can't break to find out if there's actually anything under there. That is not a cat. That looks more like a mouse. Does anyone know how to build a cat? Obviously, I vote wow, everything is awesome, but I cannot vote on my own creation. I see some yellows. I see a blue. You know, I see someone with a purple, so... I'm going to assume that I at least get nope. First. GG, and I thought I had no building skills. Clearly, these guys just proved me wrong because, I had building skills compared to them. So, wow. Okay, well, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, keep playing Minecraft, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Goodbye.